Hello everyone, this is Pragya live from ET Next Tech Human Capital Summit 2026 and currently I am with our amazing guest, Miss Saina Nehwal. Hello ma'am, how are you?
I'm good, thank you so much.
So ma'am, my first question to you is, how do you manage the pressure around the Olympics since you have played a lot of Olympics?
I mean, the pressure around Olympics is a lot more than the normal championships, but I think every player dreams of winning an Olympic medal and they work for that. They work day and night for that. So I think the pressure is something which we cannot explain in words, but I think the better you train, the better you're prepared for it. Always you'll come back with good results, but you'll have to train your body, mind, and proper everything so that you are ready for the championships, for the Olympics. But still feel, when you play the semis and finals, when you play for those big medals, the nervousness, the tension, the stress of the whole country, and the expectations of the whole country is always there on you. And of course, you want to achieve it for yourself as well, so you put in a lot more pressure on yourself. But I think the achievement is finally everything you dream of, and you work so hard to achieve it that once you start playing the rallies, once you start getting good points, then you forget all that and you enjoy the moment that you're playing in such a big competition. But I'm very proud that I could represent country for so long and bring so many medals, and I could make so many people happy with my results. So I'm so proud of that.
Wow, what an amazing answer. And I'm moving on to my next question. Since you are a female athlete, what all challenges have you faced as a female athlete in India?
I think as a female athlete, I've touchwood never faced any kind of issues while playing at the highest level or while achieving any kind of tournament or I think I was always blessed to have very good coaches, very good support team, and I was always in very good hands. They used to always motivate me and encourage me and say that you are going to be our world beater, you are going to be our Olympic champion. So I think as a female, I never had to face anything difficult in the sport. But yes, we have our difficult days, and we have to overcome that to play, to do the sessions, to play the tournaments. But I think as you practice hard, as you get used to it, then I think it becomes a part of your life. But as a female athlete, I think I was so blessed to have all the males out there who helped me with good training, my coaches, and I would like to thank all the boys out there who helped me for so many years and made me a champion what I am today.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your valuable insights. Thank you.